the play.
Congratulations, Misha. You are the story contest winner.
Thank you.
Coming up in a few days is the children's playwriting show at the City Theater. And I thought that you could adapt your story for a play. What do you think about that?
A play?
You can rehearse at the theater.
Okay!
Hooray! I'm so excited about acting.
You all know that this is a story about a queen who lived in a castle. Gina, you play the queen's knight and protector. And you, Larry, will be the palace's messenger. But the queen was very tired of governing, and so decided to leave the castle and go live in the mountains. The queen gets lost, but then runs into a fairy, played by Carol, who tells her what path she should take. She finally finds a huge, beautiful tree and decides that there is where she will build a little home.
What do I play?
You'll be the tree.
Oh.
And the rehearsals start tomorrow.
I thought doing a play would be more fun. I just have to hand her a message.
Yeah, well, at least you're a messenger. I play a tree.
What a bore it is to be a queen. It's much more work than it would seem. I spend all day bossing people around. I'd rather live in the forest and not hear a sound.
Yeah! 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 Oh, I have a message for the queen.
Larry, what are you doing?
I thought the messenger could be a ninja,
Forget the ninjas, Larry.
but I've learned some amazing karate moves. They're really good. Yeah! Yeah!
Larry, there aren't any ninjas in my story. Let's go to the scene in the forest.
Misha, what do you think about the knight going with the queen to the forest? Otherwise, she'll get really bored there all alone. And that way, I can be in more scenes.
No, that's not the way the story I wrote goes. Okay, here we go. I get to the forest and... Huh? Howie, what are you doing? You're supposed to be being a tree.
Since it's really boring to play the role of a tree, I thought we could make the trees with my hologram machine. What do you think?
Howie, you're blinding me with that.
Well, it needs a little more work.
Carol, it's your turn. You're the fairy.
Your Highness, you must... Oh, can I sing a song? The one about flowers. I like the little flowers upon little houses. Sunflowers are fun because they
Stop! There aren't any songs in my play. If you don't know how to rehearse, we might as well forget doing the play.
Wow, she got a little upset.
What are you doing home so early? Weren't you rehearsing the play?
There won't be a play. My friends said they'd help me, but they keep changing things. That's not what I wrote.
And you were so excited about doing the play. Let's do something. Why don't you perform it for me?
Now? Here?
Why not?
What a bore it is to be a queen. It's much more work. Granddad? Granddad?
Oh, bravo! Bravo! What a great play!
Granddad, you fell asleep.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think I was just missing a little action.
Action? What do you want? A ninja to suddenly appear?
A ninja? What a great idea! And if there's a song or two as well, it'll be incredibly entertaining.
But there aren't any ninjas in my story. Or songs about flowers. Or a knight who goes to the forest with the queen.
A knight and a queen? Great idea. Then they can enjoy adventures together.
Well, you've convinced me. After all, an artist owes its audience. Thanks, Granddad.
Where are you going?
To the theater. There will be a play after all.
Oh, perfect.
Shh, it's starting. What a bore it is to be a queen. It's much more work than it would seem. I spend my days bossing people around. I want to live in the forest and not hear a sound.
Yay!
Well done, darling.
Your Highness, I will protect you.
Attention, please. Let's not be confused. I'm a ninja messenger just delivering the news.
Stop, Madam Knight. Let's just see what he's holding before we decide to give him a scolding. These are all tasks left to be done. Then not much time is left over for fun. I'm fed up. I'm leaving this place. I'll live on a mountain with much more space.
If Her Majesty wants to be free, she must go and live in a tree and enjoy good company, like you and like me.
I like the little flowers upon little houses. Sunflowers are fun because they turn with the sun. Flowers are so great. I like the little flowers upon little houses. Sunflowers are fun because they turn with the sun.
And that's the end of our story that finishes in glory.
I haven't had that much fun in a long time.
What a wonderful play! And I see that everyone had a very creative role in